Yep, it's very dirty. Hey, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you clean out your rain barrels. I already have a video on how to winterize your rain barrels, and it's a simple 3-step from cleaning, storing, and redirecting your water. I'll link the video in the description box below and you can go ahead and check that out. But for today, I am focusing on the first step, which is the cleaning process. And I'm going to be using just regular household vinegar and household baking soda. Now, as all of this rainwater collects into these rain barrels, it doesn't really have any movement. There's no water cycling going on. It's just filling up and sitting still. So all of that debris that you're getting from your gutters, anything that's blowing in the wind like pollen, dirt, sand, anything off of your shingles that is coming down into these barrels, everything is just gonna settle at the bottom. The sides you can see are pretty dirty. So at least once a year, get rid of all the dirt, the grime, the dead insects, or all the pollen that was floating in the air. Give your barrels a good clean, then they'll be refreshed for the spring or just the rest of the season. As they get empty, you can really see how dirty they are. You see a lot of the pollen that's stuck to the edges, a lot of the dirt. So I'll be detaching this hose so that I can take apart these barrels. It's the only thing that's connecting the two. I'll lay them on their sides and get at it. Now, this part's pretty dirty. Try to get most of the dirt that you can off before you do the actual clean. It makes it a little easier. This is just the spray bottle filled with vinegar, and I'm just gonna spray the interior. Vinegar is a non-toxic substance, and baking soda will work as an abrasive. And together, the chemical reactions will form a fizz, and that foam will help and become your cleaning agent. So I let this baking soda and vinegar dry for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just taking my broom and I'm going over it. Now these lids can also get very dirty. Everything comes through these screens. This is a huge buildup right here. I'm gonna clean that off. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more videos on basic home maintenance outdoors, check out my channel.